My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
So guys, we're back. Episode 6. Car runs. I'm pretty stoked about that. Today we're gonna do some more stuff. The radiator is here. I'm gonna test fit it. I don't have every part to install it, but I'm gonna put it over there, measure a bit, see which fence I'm gonna use, because I'm not sure about the clearance I'm gonna have with it. So it's a good tryout radiator to see where we're going, and let's give it a try, right? Here it is. I got the radiator. I got a little sensor, the temperature sensor, to open up or to give power to the fence. So I'm not sure it's the right switch. We're gonna see. It's a two-step switch, so let's try this. This radiator, it's a Mk2 Golf VR6 radiator from the 2.8 cylinder version. The sizes seems to match. Why did I pick this one? Pretty easy. I wanted my entrance and my exit from the radiator right here. So because I don't have a lot of space here, I just wanted it to be everything on this side. So the normal points to put it in don't match, because this one is Mark II. Of course, you can see right here, you can put it in here, but here it doesn't match. Another problem is, maybe you can see it, but it just doesn't match. I'm gonna take the front, I'm gonna show you. As you can see, it becomes too high. So change of plans. Normally the radiator stands on this support right here, but I'm gonna put it just in front of the support, between the front mount. Here needs to be the front mounted. So there is space. It's only I think 3.5 centimeters wide, so it isn't real too big. So we're gonna put it right here. For the moment, I'm gonna just set it. I'm gonna put this over it real quick, and you can see it matches. So I'm gonna put some screws in here real quick. So that's fine. Something more here. So I need to bring it a little bit to here, I guess. Bit up. It's really not a lot of clearance. Oh, that's too much. I think that would be fine. Okay, so guys, as you can see right now, it's in, it matches, it's really close. I'm gonna take the camera immediately. I'm gonna make me some brackets for this one to put it up a little bit. Here I can already screw. I take a screw and this is okay, so that will work. Here's some 2 brackets, and then I'm gonna figure this out, but I think that's gonna be fine too because we have something here. So basically it's really straight up, so close, but let me show you. So as you can see right here, I can build something for the brackets. That's no problem. Here we're gonna build a bracket in here, but that's fine too. As you can see, it is really close. It's barely touching. You can see a little bit, but here it's also close, but okay. And as you can see right here, I can build something for this. So, but it gives me a lot of clearance right here, as you can see. It gives me a lot of clearance right here, and that's good because I really need it for the vents, because yeah, in the front they don't gonna work like this. As you can see, I made me some custom brackets. This is just for modeling, so I can check if they work. For now, I will put these on, and now I got the right measurements to make a 3D print of it. But I have some more parts, so that needs to wait. That's for later on. So, guys, it's present time. Look what we have here. Gonna do some small unboxing. I'm happy this turned up. Really happy. Let me show you real quick. It's like Christmas. I love this part. Building a car is fun. Getting packages is even more fun. Look what we have here. Cooler Works shifter for Mk2 Golf. Ooh, excited. Let's do this. Oh my god, that looks sick. Look at this, you guys. How awesome is that? Got some more stuff in it, of course. Tell me, that thing looks sick, right? Check it out. Ooh, kick-ass. The cables are on the shifter. We attach them. There they go. And now we get them onto the car. Let's go. We're gonna drill some holes through the firewall for the cables. They going from here under the ECU box and here through the shut boards outside. And so yeah, let's make some room and let's drill some holes. So guys, the exhaust is done, the shifter is in, shifting cables also in, made the holes. So basically every adjustment we needed is done. So the next episode we're gonna prep the car for the body shop. Needs to go bare metal again completely, so that's gonna be a whole lot of job, but no problem. Let me show you first. Made the exhausts fit, and let me show you. Still not finished. Gotta weld it, gotta grind it a little bit more, polish it, but you get the idea, right? So yeah, we're here. I told you before, this came in like this. That's a fix we gotta need to do later on, but no problem. A little bit of adjustment, but I think it's fine. So under it, and then we go to the front, and let me show you the header I just made. Looks sick. You can see only spot welds, still not finished, but you get the idea. And then I don't know if you see it really good all the way up. As you know, we fitted in the brake pedal and stuff, the pedal box, the seats, the roll cage. I'm gonna show you something more. Put it in the shifter, as you can see it here. Real easy. It's the cooler works, and it looks sick. So yeah, the cables going under there, still not on the right position. We gotta find something for that, but that's no problem. As you can see also, or maybe you can't see, it's really dark. I put it in the heater box just to see the clearance here and stuff, but yeah, everything looks good, so I think that's gonna look sick. This is end of episode 6. All the prep is done. Next episode we're gonna do the body shop prep, but I need to finish it in 15 days, so I don't know I'm gonna have the time to post it. I don't know I'm gonna have the time to film a bit, because it's gonna be a big rush for me. I gotta do it on evenings, so hopefully I make it, and then we can start doing the small things, details, buying some new parts already, because when the car is coming back from body shop and is painted, I just want to finish it. So I just want to put things on it, buff it up, those things, but no big works anymore. So I think this car is going to be finished in 6 months. That's the goal. So WORKZ 2020, we're gonna make it. We have to make it. Don't worry about it.